I saw you by the riverside. Your smile was the rhythm of spring, your voice the song I wanted to sing. You walked with flowers in your hair, a breeze of love floating in the air. I followed your laugh through pinewood trees. You are the silence that sets me free. Whispers from the hills calling your name. Through clouds and winds I feel the same. Kajing jongi kaim halin at kisni. From rain to sun we'll never change. They told me love like this won't stay, but I held on through skies of gray. With every dance at the village fair, I felt your heart was always there. Under the moon, near Sora's fall, in late love's wind I heard your call. We wrote our story in the stones. Now your name feels like my own. Whispers from the hills